Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting the update now. First, confirm you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and that your battery won't die mid-install. If not, plug in. Next, free about 200 MB by closing or uninstalling unused apps so the package can download. Once done, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube. You're looking for the app page. Tap the listing to reveal the update button so you can move to the next step. Tap Update and watch the progress bar. Downloads can stall, so be patient. If the store asks for permissions, grant only what's needed to proceed. Permissions often enable new functionality or fix crashes. Make sure background downloads aren't blocked by data saver or battery optimization. Adjust settings if the download pauses. Once installation finishes, open YouTube and let it finish any first run optimization. Doing this ensures new features are enabled and your existing account settings remain intact. Final steps: verify the app opens and core features like playback and subscriptions work. If something's broken, first clear the app cache and data from settings, then restart the phone. This often resolves leftover conflicts. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to get a clean install. Make sure the store shows the latest version number and consult release notes mentally for expected changes. If you still see
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.